Today's message is one you shouldn't skip. You are guided here for a reason, and I'm honored to share this message with you. Let's be honest. There are days when you feel tired, discouraged, overwhelmed, misunderstood, and seen. There are days when you smile in public but you are breaking quietly on the inside. There are days when you show strength only because you have no other option. And sometimes the world forgets that you are human. Today I want you to allow yourself to breathe and listen, because this message is for you. Here is the truth. You have been carrying too much alone. You have been fighting battles no one knows about. You have been giving love, giving time, giving energy with very little coming back. You have been stretching yourself for people who don't stretch for you. You've been strong for too long, and you have been silent for too long.